Hello dears, we are studying fluid mechanics. So today's topic is impact of jet, in which we study about force exerted by jet on a moving flat vertical plate. Today's topic is force exerted by jet on moving flat vertical plate. So we draw a figure and this one is pipe and nozzle is fitted in pipe, and from the nozzle water jet is coming out with v velocity, and this water jet is strike on a moving flat vertical plate. This water jet is strike on moving vertical flat plate, and after striking this plate move with u velocity. When water jet strike on the plate with v velocity, then plate moving with u velocity. So we have to find the force exerted by jet on moving flat vertical plate. So first we note that jet of water striking the flat vertical plate. Jet of water striking the flat vertical plate moving with a uniform velocity. Moving with a uniform velocity away from the jet. When water jet strike, then the plate will move. Let V equals to velocity of jet, A equals to area of cross section, and U equals to velocity of flat plate. So when a water jet strike the plate, then plate move with u velocity in the same direction of jet. The plate will move with u velocity in the same direction of jet. So this relative velocity will be v minus u. The relative velocity of jet with respect to plate is equals to v minus u, because plate move along the jet. So the relative velocity of jet with respect to plate is equals to v minus u. Now one assumptions will be, suppose the plate is smooth, so there is no loss of energy. Suppose this plate is smooth, so there is no loss of energy, then velocity after striking will be same, that is v minus u and v minus u will be same after separating the water when strike the plate. So its velocity will be v minus u on both side, because there is no loss of energy. This velocity v minus u, how will it be v minus u? We discussed in last video, so you can see that. So there is no loss of energy, then mass of water striking the plate per second. Mass of water striking the plate per second, that is m will be rho a into v minus u. Per second, that is m equals to rho a into v minus u, where rho is the density of water or density of water jet. Now force exerted by the jet on moving plate in the direction of jet. Force exerted by jet on moving plate in the direction of jet, that is in the direction of jet, that is Fx. So Fx is equals to force exerted by jet on moving plate in the direction of jet, that is Fx is equals to mass flow rate into velocity. change in velocity, we can say v1x minus v2x. That is, v1x is equals to initial velocity with which water strikes. v1x is equals to initial velocity with which water strikes. So what will be the initial velocity with which water strikes? It will be equals to relative velocity of jet with respect to plate. So equals to v minus u. And v2x, v2x is equals to 0. So what is v2x? Final velocity in the direction of jet. So final velocity and in the direction of jet is equals to 0, because there is in the direction of x or in the direction of jet there is no final velocity, so it will be 0. Now we put the value of v1x and v2x. So fx is equals to m into, so m is equals to rho a into v minus u. So fx is equal to rho a into v minus u into v minus u minus 0, or fx is equal to rho a into v minus u of whole square, or fx is equals to rho a into whole square of v minus u. This is the force exerted by jet on moving vertical plate or moving vertical plate. Now we can calculate the work done per second. So work done per second by jet on plate. So work done is force into distance, and here is we can calculate per second. So work done per second by the jet on plate equals to force into distance by time is equals to fx into u. So w is equals to, or we can say work done is equals to rho a when put the value of fx. So rho a into whole square of v minus u into u. This is the work done per second by jet on plate. So today's topic is impact of jet, in which we studied force exerted by jet on moving plate, vertical plate, and this topic is over. For more update, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.